It's funny because people who've been following me on Instagram and stuff for a really long time are like, but your bars. And I had one girl ask, do you require that all of your clients put bars in their house? I was like, no, I just really enjoy them. Bars in general, when you have a dedicated space like this, it just encourages you to actually entertain in an old-fashioned way. So keeping a dedicated space where all of your beautiful glassware is displayed, and then of course, making sure that you actually keep your bar stocked is so important, because then it's there no matter what, whenever you want it. Yeah. Just pick like your favorite 2 or 3 things and just really make it all about that. Yeah. Like if you guys have 2 cocktails you always drink, like just have those out. You can make a bar anywhere.
My friend Kendall is an interior designer extraordinaire. Everything she touches literally turns to pure gold. Something that she always says is that your home should reflect who you are and where you've been. I just love that. I was so excited when she invited us along to one of her latest projects, and we were lucky enough that she shared just a few of her design tips with us.
One of my very favorite things to do in any living area is to buy all matched throws. Buy 5 or 6 of the coziest, softest throws that are all exactly the same. And that way, no matter what, even if you leave the room or leave your house and you have throws everywhere and it looks like a disaster, it doesn't look like a disaster because everything is still matched and coordinated with your room.
Greg, I think we need a Target run for some new throws.
People tend to neglect their bedding and not spend enough time or money really making it right. So be sure to buy bedding pieces that are really good quality, that can be washed and laundered over and over again like hotel bedding. You spend so much time in your bedroom at your house that you really should make the investment to make it a place that you want to spend your time. I love to include a really great quilt for warmer weather, but then you can keep a really cozy down comforter like this folded at the foot of the bed if you need a little bit of extra warmth. Another really important thing to always consider is buying the good pillow inserts. Invest in the down feather inserts over the really lumpy, kind of icky poly ones, because with down, even if your pillows get really squashed and they look like funky and weird, like all you have to do is just fluff them really good and then give them a karate chop and they're perfect every time.
I'm so inspired by Kendall. She has worked so hard to get to where she's at today. We just bought our very own home, which makes me so excited. So I cannot wait for Kendall to come over and make our home just perfect. Get it? Perfect. Be sure to check out Kendall's website and of course follow her on Instagram for super fun decor inspiration. I'll see you guys next week.